On one hand, we have the black police psychologist who is portrayed as wealthy in a high social class and intellectual, whereas on the other hand we have the female protagonist slash antagonist who is portrayed as a lot darker, more sinister, perhaps not as intellectual, and overall she's portrayed as a lower social class in comparison to the black police psychologist. Through this, I have shown opposition theory, both in the sense of wealth and also in terms of ethnicity. Within my piece, I decided to use a conventional point of view shot. This shot's used in many thriller films, and I think it helps put the audience in the unsettling shoes of the victim. Another very common theme within my piece is the use of violence. This is also conventional in the thriller genre, and due to studying directors such as Quentin Tarantino and Alfred Hitchcock, I thought it would be suitable to incorporate violence into my piece too. I think it works well to create fear for the audience, and through my piece, due to the gender political nature, it worked really well to incorporate feminist theory so that I could introduce a female character who used violence to victimise a male.